Hey, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have something really exciting to talk about, and it's a topic that can save you money and reduce your environmental impact. We're diving into the world of battery reconditioning, where we bring old batteries back to life again. That's right, you can revive those seemingly dead batteries and give them a new lease on life. What to do with old batteries? Most people would just throw them away, thinking they're completely useless. But with the right knowledge and techniques, you can recondition these batteries and make them work like new. So, you might be wondering, why bother with battery reconditioning? Well, there are a few good reasons. First and foremost, it's a fantastic way to save money. New batteries can be expensive, especially if you're constantly replacing them in various devices. If you are interested in reconditioning batteries, we have a link in the video description to the EZ Battery Reconditioning course. Learn how you can do it yourself. You can save a significant amount by reconditioning old batteries instead of buying new ones. Plus, you're reducing waste and helping the environment by keeping toxic battery chemicals out of landfills. Additionally, battery reconditioning can be a fun and educational hobby. You'll learn about the inner workings of batteries and gain valuable DIY skills. Why do batteries go bad over time? Batteries degrade and go bad over time due to several factors, and the specific reasons can vary depending on the type of battery. Here are some common factors contributing to battery degradation. Chemical reactions. Batteries operate through chemical reactions that occur within them. Over time, these chemical reactions can cause changes in the battery's composition. In rechargeable batteries, such as lithium-ion or nickel metal hydride batteries, the repeated charge and discharge cycles led to chemical changes that reduce their capacity and overall performance. Self-discharge. All batteries have a self-discharge rate, meaning they slowly lose their charge even when not in use. This self-discharge can be more pronounced in certain types of batteries, like alkaline batteries, which is why they may appear dead after sitting unused for an extended period. Heat. Exposure to high temperatures can accelerate the chemical reactions within a battery. This can lead to increased self-discharge, reduced capacity, and, in extreme cases, thermal runaway or leakage. Environmental factors. Exposure to extreme cold or hot temperatures, humidity, and other environmental conditions can impact a battery's performance and lifespan. How can I fix a bad battery? We recommend EZ Battery Reconditioning course. It is easy to follow, step-by-step system to recondition all kinds of old batteries with just simple supplies you probably already have in your home. The course is made up of step-by-step guides that show you how to recondition each type of battery. And each guide is full of pictures and diagrams, so you not only read exactly what to do, you see exactly what to do as well. And it doesn't matter if you're not technical or don't know the first thing about batteries, because their course is incredibly easy to follow and absolutely anybody can use it. You can find a link to the EZ Battery Reconditioning course in the video description. So there you have it, the exciting world of battery reconditioning. It's a money-saving, eco-friendly, and educational hobby that anyone can dive into. Just remember to take all necessary safety precautions and follow proper instructions. If you found this video helpful or have any questions about battery reconditioning, drop a comment below. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more DIY and tech-related content. Until next time, happy reconditioning!